Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to try to log in with your account or you're seeing a this-type error that your account can no longer use WhatsApp, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply go back from here. So there's the only way to fix the issue. You just have to connect with WhatsApp support or appeal for this. So you just have to simply open your browser and here just look for WhatsApp support and open the first website from here. Now on this section you'll get the WhatsApp support option. You just have to select this contact us under WhatsApp support. Just select this option here, and here you have to try to enter your phone number, then enter your email address. You have to re-enter your email address, and then you have to select your device. And here you have to enter your message. So you just have to simply explain that what's happening with you. You just have to create a simple paragraph here to describe your issue that your account is or has been banned from WhatsApp. So please help or to fix this. So once you have done all of this here, your account will be unbanned in after 25 hours, or sometime it might take a week. So you must have to wait for this, and after that your account will be unbanned. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.